Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Danvers. Today I'm going to be walking you through a brand new boat of ours. It's a 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Starting back with the outboards, we have twin V10 400 outboards. That's max horsepower on this boat. Plenty of power to get you up on plane. Making our way in, you'll see on the 320 Sundancer the wraparound seating. This is great for entertaining, family time. It really makes good use of the space. There is a table that goes in here, and it also drops in to become a filler cushion. Over on the starboard side here, you're going to see you have a little summer kitchen. You're going to have an electric Kenyan grill here, trash receptacle, and a fridge. There's also a sink for washing anything down. Making our way forward here to the dash, you're going to see this is what wraps the cockpit into the helm. You're going to have nice double seating here, joystick piloting, twin Simrad screens, and this boat is the open coupe version, so you are going to have the full glass windshield. Perfect boat for a day boat or an overnighter. Speaking of overnighting, down below you're going to have a nice V-berth, and in the mid cabin you're going to have two twins that convert with the filler and become a king. There is a nice stand-up head down there as well. Making our way into the bow, this is the best spot on the boat. You're going to have your nice big sun pad, plenty of space, hanging out and enjoying the sun. For more information on this Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, please call me at MarineMax Danvers. My number is 978-879-3721. Thanks.